Webflow and Mailchimp integration. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your Mailchimp account and you can go ahead and you can integrate it with your Webflow account. So this is how we're going to go about it. First, I'm going to show you how to integrate an entire sign-up form from Mailchimp. Then I'm going to show you how to integrate individual existing fields. I'm going to show you how to add fields to integrate them. And then I'm going to show you how to embed different tags so you can have different contact lists defined by different tags. Without further ado, let us jump straight in. So the first thing you want to do is in your Mailchimp account, you want to go over to the toolbar on the left hand side and you want to tap on audience. Now once you've tapped on audience, you'll have a sub menu. You're going to go ahead and look for sign up forms and open that up. Now in sign up forms, you're going to go down and there are a few different types of sign up forms. We're going to look for the embedded form and we're going to tap on that. Once in this page, you don't have to do anything more here. We're going to go over to the right hand side. We're going to tap on continue. Now you will get some embedded form code. So now you need to look for a specific piece of code. You're looking for the form action over here. Now it says form action equals, and then it starts opening up an address. So what you're going to be doing here is only the part within the apostrophes. We're going to go ahead and copy only that part, and you got to make sure that you copy only that part. So you can right click on this and tap on copy, and we're going to go over now to our Webflow page. So this is our website that we are building, and we're going to go over now to the section where the sign up form is, and over here you can see this is our sign up form. Now you're going to click on this contact instance. Over here, there's a little pencil icon, and you can now edit this component. You can now tap on any one of the elements in here. So I'm just going to tap on the name field, and on the right hand side, you will have a menu. So at the top, you'll have style, settings, and interactions. You're going to go into settings, and you're going to go down to where it says redirect URL and action. So within the action tab, we are going to paste that piece of code that we snipped, and then underneath that it says method, and right here we're not going to select get, we're going to select post. And once you've done that, you have now integrated your entire form that you will now create in Mailchimp. I'm going to show you now how we can integrate existing fields over here, such as the email address, name. So we're going to go back now to the Mailchimp account, and we're going to just go back to our page that says audience and sign up forms. Now on the right hand side there is a settings over here, and we're going to tap on settings, and we're going to go down these settings over here, and you're going to go ahead and look for audience, fields, and merge tags. From this page you can see now that you have your field labels and types. So as I just mentioned, now there's a first name, and then you can see over here that there is a merge or a tag. So you're going to copy this tag. Again, we're going to right click and tap on copy, and you're going to go back into your Webflow page and make sure that the box that a name is going to be entered into is selected. And again, over on the right hand side, we're going to go under settings. We're going to go all the way to the bottom, and you can see here it says text field settings, and under name you can see that it's got a placeholder that says name. We are going to paste that over there, and now once we save this will be saved and it'll be merged. You can continue to do this with last name, address, and phone number. Now let's say perhaps if you see on your web page that there isn't actually a phone number, what we can do now is this name field, we can actually right click and we can go ahead and say duplicate, and this field over here now we can change. So we can change it to phone number. You're going to want to change the type from plain to phone, and then we are going to just close this box over here. You will see now that it says name, phone number, email address. Now we've selected this phone number over here. We're going to go back to our Mailchimp page, and where it says phone number, we're going to go ahead, make sure that the visibility check is on. We're going to copy that, and we're going to go back to our page, and again under the text field settings, we're going to go into name, and we are going to replace whatever is in there to phone. And now, once you close this, when somebody signs up over here and they put all this information in to the sign up form, when you go into your contacts, you will see that all of their details are actually on your contact list. If you would like to enter a new field label and type, you can go down over here and there is an add a field, and now you can go ahead, you can select text, number, radio buttons, drop down date, and so forth. And once you have selected one of these over here, you will see now that it is added. So you can now change the details over here, and then you can also integrate this merge tag over here. Once you create a new website block, you can add it in. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to embed tags. Now we're going to go over now again to audience, and under audience we're going to go ahead and we're going to go sign up forms again, and we're going to go ahead and tap on the embedded form. From this page, you can now go ahead over to the left-hand side and you can tap on tags. Now, there are a few tags that I've already created, but if you would like to create a new tab, you can just go ahead and you can start typing over here, and then you can tap on enter and it'll now create that tag. So if you would like to also connect more than one tag onto the newsletter, you can do so. You can go ahead and say music and travel, whatever the case may be. When you're done, again, we're going to go over to the right hand side. We're going to tap on continue. Here you're going to look for another piece of code. Now the piece of code that we're looking for says div hidden input type hidden name and then tags. So this is the entire piece of code that we need, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to copy that whole line. Control C or right click and copy, and we're going to go over again to our page. Now on the left hand side we are going to enter a new section, so we're going to just go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and that is adding an element, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the button that says embed. Now once you tap in over here, you will be able to put that piece of code again. On the right hand side you will see there is an action button. You'll be able to put in the code that we just snipped into the action button over here, and then it will be available. The reason I can't do this is because this is actually part of the premium account and I do not have a premium account. There we go, folks. There are a few ways that you can integrate your Mailchimp forms, your sign-up forms with Webflow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to smash up that subscribe button. We'll see you in another awesome video. You guys have any questions, you can drop it below. Cheers for now.